am going to show you the process for mixing up your Zen Detox hair and scalp mask. You need a spray bottle, your Zen Detox hair and scalp mask, little plastic bowl, a plastic spoon, something that is not metal. You use distilled water. I also use my rubber scalp massager. I have a little shower cap. I happen to have this really huge bowl. What I've been doing is just running water in the bathtub through the faucet, not the shower, and then just filling this up about halfway and just putting my head in and letting my hair just kind of soak. One thing I really like about this mask is that it is not messy. It is also not drying to your scalp. I can really tell that it is improving my hair's texture, and also the curl pattern is becoming more prominent. And the instructions say to do the mask once a week for 3 weeks while you're in your detox phase. The mask itself is a dry powder. You can see that it is going to be easy to spread. I use the scalp massager kind of to wake up my scalp before I even wet my hair. Dampen your hair, mix up your mask, apply your mask starting in your scalp, and then bring the mask down to the ends of your hair. You can work yourself up to leaving it on maybe 30 minutes, an hour. Be sure you drink your water and take care of yourself while you're detoxing. I am going to go ahead and do that now, and in another time I will show you how my hair looks when I'm done with the mask.